G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a fabulous home, 16 Susan Close in the popular Bayside suburb of River Heads. This home really does offer a lot more than meets the eye. You'll need to have a look to appreciate everything that's on offer. Let's go and take a look around. This lovely home is enviably set on an elevated 600 square metre allotment overlooking the Susan River in the highly sought after location of River Heads, which is the gateway to World Heritage listed Gari or Fraser Island and the River Heads boat ramp and pontoon, accessing the Great Sandy Straits, which is a fishing, prawning and crabbing paradise. You also have the convenience that comes with being only minutes away from local convenience stores and a short drive to Hervey Bays' essential amenities, including shopping centres, hospitals, golf course, cafes, restaurants, esplanade and the beach. Generous yet classically refined, this custom-built steel frame home with electronic rust protection truly is a statement of minimalist style and comfort with no expense spared, built completely around capturing the riverfront outlook to the rear. From the very moment you walk in, you will be captivated by the grand spaces and striking details of this beautiful home, which flaunts enviable, innovative and classic design and style with beautiful spotted gum, natural timber hardwood flooring and high ceilings throughout. This home has been planned to allow for seamless space transitions with expansive open plan living areas, which include the kitchen, dining and living areas, all cleverly positioned to look out to the beautiful al fresco outdoor entertaining deck, offering panoramic views across the Susan and Mary rivers. Coupled with large windows and neutral colour tones, these are open and connected spaces, allowing light and air to naturally fill this home. Staying cool over the warmest summer months will be a breeze, with the aspect of this home orientated around capturing the prevailing southeast sea breezes throughout this home. You also have split system reverse cycle air conditioning and ceiling fans throughout. Indulge more than your taste sensation in the stylish kitchen and let your eyes take in the proportion, layout and convenience here. Note the expansive Caesar stone bench tops and New Guinea rosewood cupboards with loads of storage and pantry plus island preparation bench. You also have a large servery out to the fabulous al fresco outdoor entertaining deck overlooking the Susan River. This is where you'll appreciate and enjoy Hervey Bays' year-round subtropical temperate climate. Quality appliances include a large 900mm stainless steel European gas stove with range hood, microwave oven and a dishwasher. There are 2 spacious bedrooms, both with built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The main bedroom includes a large walk-in wardrobe and lavish ensuite with spa bath and double shower overlooking the deck out to that expansive waterfront view. There is also a clever study nook or media station built into the vast open plan living area. The bathroom includes a double shower, vanity and there is a separate toilet. The laundry is creatively built into the side of the entertaining deck and incorporates a large storage space. Those looking to accommodate a number of vehicles will appreciate the clear side access to the expansive vehicle spaces below this home, with ample area to accommodate 4 vehicles, camper trailers or boats. Those wanting to be more self-sufficient will appreciate the large 5 kilowatt solar power system, and you've also got 20,000 litres of rainwater storage as well. Homes offering an outlook like that rarely present themselves and are always in high demand. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.